Welcome back to Travelling Box with me and Finn and everybody else. So, yes, we've had him a week now and he is an enormous bundle of energy and fun and just doesn't stop. Yes, beautifully, earlier this week I got sent the videos of when he was actually found on the streets and retrieved. So I'll show that with you now. So as you can see, he's a really young puppy when he was found, with no true identity known of his heritage or anything else. So I really want to know what his makeup is. On his passport it says a Labrador cross, which seems about right, but cross with what and how many different breeds and stuff like that. So I have bought a doggy DNA test, and I've never used one before. I've never really needed to, because I've always known what my dogs are. Yes, I chose this one, the Wisdom Panel one, because it got really good reviews online and seems to be very popular. And it's just arrived, so I'll take it out of its cling film. I don't actually know how to use them. So open it up. Right, so I've got to log on to a website called wisdompanel.com/activate to activate the kit, and then there's a code and stuff on here. Open it up, and then in here is the instructions. I'm assuming these are the swabs and the return envelope, which doesn't require a stamp, so that's good. What's in there? Something in the envelope. Oh, I think it's just an oxygen absorber thing. Leave it in there. Right, so the instructions. Okay, so it says step 1, activate it. Step 2, slightly peel back the swab sleeve about 5 centimeters. Save the sleeve for later. Wait approximately 2 hours after a meal or treat before collecting DNA samples. So in other words, don't get any food. 3, obtain the cheek cells by firmly rolling the bristles between the cheek and the gum for about 15 seconds. That's going to be fun. He's going to think that he can chew it. 4, let the swab air dry for at least 5 minutes. Repeat steps 2 to 4 for the second swab. Be sure to use both swabs in the same pet. Yes, well, otherwise you'd get thoroughly mixed results, wouldn't you? Once both swabs are dry, insert them bristle first into the protective sleeve. Do not reseal protective sleeve. Write owner and pet name on the sleeve label. Place the sleeve containing the swabs inside the supplied prepaid return envelope and seal. Write your contact info and shipment date on the return envelope and place it in the post. Well, that seems simple enough, doesn't it? As long as the dog complies. Let's see how we go. Firstly, I'm going to activate it. Finn, stop trying to eat everything, please. Right. So, got the swabs. I'm going to do the first one, and then he wants to do the second one as it's his dog. without every other dog getting involved. So I'll take the first one out.
Looks like bottle brush.
It does, but for a tiny dog. And what we want to get is between the gum and the teeth. So that bit there, and you
This?
yeah, and you twizzle it around. Right, Finn, come here. Oh, good lad. Right, open your mouth.
Like, okay.
Don't eat it. I know, it's really fun, isn't it? Yeah, no. Twizzle it. Is it tickly? Is it? I think that might be 15 seconds. Right, you want to do the second one?
Yeah.
Don't touch that swab end anywhere else.
So is it the below above the teeth?
Yeah, between the cheek and the gum line.
Definitely need head restraint.
You gotta be quick.
I can't even get close.
Finny Finn. Twizzle it around so you can get as many cells as possible. Oh, Finny Finn. Finn Finn.
He knows what.
Phineas dog.
Is it?
Quickly and gently.
Is it the gums?
Yes, son. Guns on the cheek. Just swizzle it. Is it done?
Not yet.
Right. Oh God.
Sit. Then sit. Later. Wait. Yeah, it's impossible.
Oh, well, I just did it. Do you want me to do that one as well?
No.
Well, quickly
Restrain
then.
him in some way.
Oh, come here. All you're doing is winding him up.
So, is it this area?
Yeah, but you don't have to lift the lip up because you want both the lip and the cheek, yeah?
Finn! Finn, no! Let
Don't
go.
eat it. It's a good job he's a good dog, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's it. That's perfect. Right, that will do. Right, take it out. Give it to me. That's it. And we've got these. Let these dry now.
Yeah.
Apparently for 5 minutes. How was that, Phineas dog? Was that all right? Yeah. You want to go as well, don't you? Oh, and you. Yes. Right. So we're going to let these dry. Pop them back in this packet on which I have written our details to match the online activation. Pop them in. Shove them in this envelope, and then tomorrow morning I shall be posting this off in our local post box. So that will be the, what's the date today? It's the 2nd today, so on the 3rd of March I will be posting it off. They say we should get results back within 3 weeks, so yeah, as soon as the results are in, we'll open them with you so that we can see what we've got. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I think it will help us to better understand him, because you know, with certain breed traits, if there's shepherd in there, then we know that there are protective and herding instincts. If there is Labrador in there, then retrieving, not so much the protective instincts and things like that. So if there's a Chihuahua, we know we've got a little devil.
Well,
if there's Poodle in there, then he's just going to be perfect. Yes, so we'll find out, and it's going to be awesome. Look, he's part husky. Oh, I reckon he's part greyhound. Son, it's here!
Yay!
So the results say that the top 5 breeds that make up Phineas dog: 32% Central Asian Ovcharka, 8% Ciguggio Italiano, 8% Chihuahua, 6% Fijian Street Dog, and 5% Azawak. Taking out 32% of his DNA, I can definitely see the Central Asian Ovcharka or Shepherd dog in Finn. They're massive dogs, whereas Finn isn't, but they are known to be very loyal, protective, guarding dogs. At 8% of Finn's DNA is a Ciguggio Italiano, which is a scent hound used for tracking game. It's brilliant. Equally at 8% is the Chihuahua. What the hell, man? That was one ambitious Chihuahua. At 6%, the Fijian Street Dog appears, and I'm not sure how because there's no discernible standard for a street dog. But there we go, Finn is a street dog anyway. The Azawak is a sight hound used for protecting herds, etc., and is a brilliant runner, which certainly explains a lot. Overall, there are 19 different breeds that make up Finn. So he probably is a 1 in a million, a 100% mutt. But we don't care. We love him anyway. One thing is for sure, he is a healthy, happy, playful doofus who has settled in beautifully with our family, and it is just amazing to see all of the different aspects of who he is. We wouldn't have him any other way. I hope you found this interesting because I certainly have, and I've really enjoyed sharing this with you. So from me and everybody else, thank you so much for watching. And next time, you never know, we might see you on holiday. Say thanks for watching, Finn. Finn, say thanks for watching.